Hello InkScape users, today we will learn how to convert a negative photo to a normal photo. I'm using this latest version of InkScape. Now go to File, then Import. You can import the picture you want to convert. Here we leave everything as is. You can here adjust the photo. Go to Filter, Color, then to Invert. Adjust here all these settings as you see here in this box. Don't change anything, just use these settings, then apply. To export the photo, go to File, Export, and select the location you want to save the file and export. Here you can use this way to convert any negative photo like the ones you scan from old camera films. You will find the download link below. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.